Hello everyone, this is Dan from Steel Camel. Some people call me Professor Dan. A lot of you folks have been talking and emailing us about our 1-2 punch kit and what are some of the applications other than batteries, nuts, okay, electrical connections. But today I want to talk to you a little about trailer pins and in particular multi-pin connectors. This product, Steel Camel, our corrosion inhibitor, is oil-based and it allows for electrical conductivity. So it's perfect for multi-pin connectors. And I'm going to show you how we do it at Steel Camel. Let's take it right here. That's all she wrote. So this is going to provide your lubrication, corrosion prevention, okay, and it's going to help stop the corrosion that comes from salt air, humidity, condensation, anything in the atmosphere that could damage the electrical connection. So another use for the Steel Camel corrosion inhibitor, part of our 1-2 punch, is the female side of the multi-pin connector. Take a look at that. These are notorious for getting corrosion, water in there, deposits of minerals, all kinds of things. So what you want to do is keep the corrosion off, and this is how we do it at Steel Camel. Take a little bit. That's all she wrote, okay? So this will provide you a little lubrication so your metal components don't scratch. Steel Camel will allow for electrical conductivity so you get better juice. And most importantly, it prevents corrosion. So another use for Steel Camel corrosion inhibitor, our flagship product and part of our 1-2 punch, is these guys right here. The latches and the springs for the trailer and the ball. Notorious for collecting water, notorious for collecting salt air, notorious for corroding. Here's how we do it at Steel Camel. It's pretty simple. Just get a little bit. That's all she wrote. One of the things about Steel Camel you need to remember is we do not evaporate. We evaporate incredibly slow. So it's going to stay wet for a while. If you don't like that, you don't like the oily feeling, you can certainly wipe it off after a day or two and the corrosion properties will still be there. This is again another use for the 1-2 punch. This is our Steel Camel thread and post. I'd like to show you another application that's quite popular with our customers. This is right here. These metal fuel caps, particularly the older ones, get a lot of corrosion on the cap. It's hard to get it off. So what you want to do is just put a dab of thread and post on it. That's all you want to do. Okay. And now when you put it on, it's nice and easy to get on, and the threads are lubricated, and it's so much easier to get off. And it's so much easier when there's no corrosion, because as it gets corroded, the metal expands. It's hard to get the cap off, and you get all kinds of damage, and water can get in there. So thread and post for fuel caps.